Welcome back to the Weather Centre, everyone, for a quick check of your Tuesday night's weather conditions. Starting off with the satellite loop, it was a cloudy start to the day in KwaZulu-Natal, but later on, partly cloudy weather returned to that province, while north of this, cloudy weather's persisted throughout today over eastern Limpopo and Mpumalanga, with light rain in places. Very patchy thundershowers have popped up over parts of the Highveld, but they're extremely isolated for the meantime. But we see a couple of stronger storms over the southern parts of Botswana. For tonight, our synoptic analysis is still indicating rainfall over these areas. A few thundershowers still likely, while it's going to be mainly cloudy east of this over Limpopo and Mpumalanga. Fog along the escarpment as well, so do take care if you're driving through that area during the course of tonight. Clear and dry for the western interior for this evening, while down in the southwestern coastline an approaching cold front's going to start pushing in quite a bit of cloud cover, and there may even be very light rain much later this evening. Most of the rain in association with that cold front will take place tomorrow morning down in the southwestern coastline. Cape Town, you can expect early morning rain. Things will have cleared up by mid-morning for that area, and at the same time rain will spread in along the southern coastline and up towards KwaZulu-Natal later on. Not before a few thunder showers over the eastern interior of South Africa during the course of Wednesday afternoon. At the same time, it's going to be a very hot day into the low-veld, temperatures bouncing up all the way in to the mid to upper 30s on your Wednesday afternoon. A little bit of light rain down on the southwestern coastline as expected with an approaching cold front, but that will take place much later on. Isolated thunder showers around Gauteng and into some parts of the northwest, while light rain is still possible this evening in the Lowveld and in particular for the escarpment areas of Limpopo, including around Tsanin. The commuter weather forecast for Durban indicates dry weather for the late afternoon and evening. Temperatures in the lower 20s. It will be warm and humid. Dry roadways expected for the east coast city. The wind stream analysis indicates light winds across the interior overnight, especially for the central parts, while heading into tomorrow with the cold front moving through. A southwesterly wind will make its way up from the Western Cape through to KwaZulu-Natal. Fresh southerly to southwesterly is expected for the southern KZN coastline on Wednesday afternoon. It's going to be a mild night across the western interior, but cool in places over the high ground, while warmer weather is expected up in the northern and eastern parts, especially along the coastline, where temperatures may even be in the lower 20s overnight for many places. Hot on your Wednesday afternoon for the northern parts of South Africa, especially in the northwest, Limpopo, as well as the Lowveld, where temperatures will reach the upper 30s. But it's going to be a cooler day down in the southern parts as that cold front will be affecting the area. A look ahead to Thursday, and it will be sunny, dry and hot for the western parts. A few very isolated thunder showers possible in a warmer Gauteng. And by Friday, temperatures will be reaching the lower 40s for some parts of the northern and eastern Cape.